Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agus Tristiawan. I'm from Teknik Industri kelas karyawan. Today I want to introduce you about one device that we usually use at home. It's called circuit breaker. It's for to limit electricity in our house. This is what we call MCB or circuit breaker. Okay, Miss Oya, I'm sorry. Right now I am at home, so I can explain you the MCB more precise because I hope I don't have the material. I will use this presentation. Hopefully, it will enough to explain the MCB. Okay, objective to understand the component, working principle of MCB, and its advantages over traditional fuse. Fuse is screen in our language. The content is to introduction, history and its use, function, the construction of MCB, working principle, advantages, application, comparison between fuse and MCB, and conclusion. The first invention is by our father, electrical father, yeah. Thomas Alva Edison. He developed the idea for the circuit breaker in 1879. Then Granville Wood improved upon the design and invented the automatic circuit breaker in 1900. Carter Manufacturing Company manufactured the first circuit breaker in Philadelphia in 1904. The main function of the MCB is to switching function on or off, and then the other function is protection against the overload and circuit breaker, short circuit. The construction of the MCB, ya. Mostly our MCB consists of this part, ya. If this image is MCB, we cut in half, and then this the view. It consists of outgoing terminal where we connect the outgoing cable, bimetal carrier, bimetal strip. This is the main part of the MCB. I will explain later. And then the latch. This will lock the knob position. Solenoid, arcuate holder, arcuate, plunger, dynamic contact, this contact, DIN rail holder, and last is incoming terminal. Okay, next, main part of MCB. Thermal unit. This part is to protect our system against the overload, ya. Overload. Our electric in our home is limited by rating of MCB. Just like I show you before, my home is protected, is limit to 20 ampere. It means my home limited to only to 2200 volt ampere. So I can connect more than 2200 volt ampere. And the other main part is magnetic unit. This part is to protect my electrical system in our main home against the short circuit. Short circuit in our language is what we call is hubung singkat. Yeah. The main part of the magnetic unit is a core and the cable coil. Okay, next. Arc. This is for to hold to eliminate the arc of the electric. The knob is the function is to switch on and off the MCB. Okay, incoming and outgoing terminal where we connect our cable. This is the image of the magnetic unit. Consists of the core and the coil. Yeah. Okay, working principle of MCB is just like I told you before. The main function of the MCB is to on and off position. This is the on state and this is the off state. Connection of the coil. This part is the current flow through the terminal and this metallic part, and then flow through the magnetic coil and then exit through the terminal. Just like this. This is the flow current inside the MCB from the incoming terminal. Electricity current flow through the metallic part, through the magnetic coil, and then flow through the bimetal and then exit to the terminal part. This is, and then I will explain you about electrical arc. Electrical arc formed by if we have two cable with electric inside. If we put it side by side, even it not touch, but there will be created arc. Arc is jump of the current. Then and it is very high temperature. So we need something part of MCB to eliminate this arc. So we create arc cube. This is to eliminate this arc. Yeah. Okay, comparison between MCB and fuse. Number one is MCB trip off in case of excessive load. Fuse melt in case of excessive load. MCB to be just put on after correcting the fault in wiring. So MCB we can just if there is trip, it will be off. So we just need to on state the MCB. It's different between fuse. Fuse we need to replace the fuse because fuse is like a tube inside there is a wire. So if there is a faulty on our system, the wire inside the fuse will be melting and cut off. So if there is a fault, we need to replace the fuse. MCB, since we did not change the MCB, there is no risk to putting on MCB or switch even if the fault is not correctly repaired. There is a risk if used, there is a risk on putting on the switch in case due to ignorance, higher capacity fuse wire is positioned. The MCB is compact and small equipment. If used is porcelain base and top, not attractive. Work on bimetal expansion or induced magnetism inside the coil. For fuse, work on melting fuse due to the higher temperature. The MCB is relatively costlier than fuse. Fuse relatively cheaper than MCB, but just short term. If we see the long term, if there is a multiple trip, MCB we can reuse again if there is a trip. If there is trip, it will be off. You just need to switch on, but the fuse we need to replace the unit. So in long term cost, it will be much more cheaper than fuse MCB. Advantages of fuse, ya. Easily identify the fault zone of electrical circuit. So in our system, if there is categories, we have for example, we have four zone in our system. Example, maybe one breaker for living area, one breaker for toilet, one breaker for kitchen, and one breaker for our room. If there is trip, there is no need to replace all, identify all. We can just know where the faulty area, and then we can repair the faulty. Simple to resume the supply because you just need to switch on back the knob. Better interface because the interface is knob. You just have to switch on or switch off, and then electrical saver, of course, it will more safer than fuse, more sensitive to current than fuse, reusable, yes, and then less maintenance and replacement costs. The application is many application is it can be used at home, ground fault, lighting, industrial also use the MCB, but maybe industrial is more wide application, yeah, between from the low current until the high current, and then it also can be used for heater, ya. Okay, conclusion, MCB are more effective than traditional fuse. Thank you, Miss Oya, for your attention. Hopefully, this presentation is enough to explain the MCB that I want to explain. Thank you.